Welcome to our new video. Hype unveiled their plans to initiate business utilizing their own original stories, which will be a new form of intellectual property owned by the company. The plan has to showcase in various ways the content based on their original stories that are planned and developed by the company. The main idea of Hype's original story business is to expand artist-based content to include not only music, but also stories that can flexibly be applied to different types of media formats. Hype will cast the artists into their stories, meaning that they will create webtoons, web novels, and animations in collaboration with the Hype artists and release them on various platforms. Hype has announced 4 original stories that will be released as webtoons and web novels next year. There are 7 Fates Chaco with BTS, The Star Seekers with TXT, Dark Moon with Enhypen, and Crimson Heart. The first 3 will be released in January 2022 in collaboration with Neighbor Webtoon in both webtoon and web novel format. BTS 7 Fates Chaco is an urban fantasy story inspired by Joseon Dynasty tiger hunting officers called Chaco Gupsa. It is set in a city in the near future and tells the story of 7 boys tied together by fate who overcome hardships together and grow. RM character is to keep an eye on each story of the bomb hunters to discover their tragic fate and take revenge for losing their loved ones. For Jungkook, this character is put in an awkward situation where he has to catch bomb using the ability for a bomb, but at the same time he is not to be recognized as a bomb. As for J-Hope, the character has to be cutthroat to survive in the den of bomb. It will be interesting to see what kind of decisions the character will make and how those decisions will lead to different incidents. As for Jimin, there is also interesting setup for old tales like Korean traditional goblins and Bulga Sele. According to V, the 7 Fates Chaco is an urban fantasy from the motive of the Chaco Gupsa, the army that used to catch tigers and bear for Korean tale. As for Jin, the story begins with monster called Bomb invading the city of Sinchi to hunt humans, and the 7 hunters of the bomb called Chaco have gathered. As for Suga, the 7 Fates Chaco perform different roles of Bomb in a corrupted and confused city. Enhypen's Dark Moon is a high school romance story about vampire boys who meet a girl with a secret. The young lives and friendship of the vampire boys as well as the secrets that lie behind what is visible will deviate from the usual high school romance genre and provide a novel kind of fun to the readers. Dark Moon is divided into several series, with the first being Dark Moon the Blood Altar. TXT The Star Seekers is a fantasy tale about K-pop idol boys who live in a world where magic and reality coexist. Together they fight against the secrets surrounding the downfall of the world. Fantastical elements such as imaginary animals and magical performances will be mixed with stories about the entertainment world. 7 Fates Chaco will be serialized on Naver Webtoon globally platform starting on January 15, 2022. Enhypen Dark Moon on January 16 and TXT The Star Seekers on January 17. The webcomic will be made available on digital comic platforms Webtoon, while the web novel version will be released on Wattpad. The arrangement was made following news in January that Wattpad was acquired by Naver, the parent company of Webtoon. Thank you so very much for watching this video.